this maths grade. It should be A+. Last term also it was A only.
My turn! There is a big red F next to reading and a D in numbers.
Priya?
Oh, my darling. Don't you worry at all. You are only 5 years old. This is just the beginning. You tried so hard, and that is all that matters. Meera, baby, open your mouth. Ah, here comes the train. Chuk, chuk, chuk. Good girl. One more bite for mama. So obedient, my baby.
No one is making train sounds for me.
It was in the middle of the room. I could not walk.
It was not in your way!
Oh no, Raj. Did we make him feel like we love Meera more?
Mama, I won the spelling competition in class today. First place.
Good, good. Go wash hands, both of you. Dinner is getting cold.
Mama, my teacher said I'm a good girl today.
Wow, my baby, that is wonderful.
Okay, report card time. Aarav beta, let Papa see yours first.
English Ace A. Very good, but Aarav, this maths grade. It should be A+. Last term also it was A only.
But Mama, I got full marks in the test. The teacher gave A because of my classwork.
Aarav, you are a smart boy. You can do better than this. You need to focus more. Practice maths every evening, okay?
Okay, Mama.
It is a very good result, son. We are proud. Just keep working hard.
My turn! My turn! There is a big red F next to reading and a D in numbers.
Priya?
Oh, my darling. Don't you worry at all. You are only 5 years old. This is just the beginning. You tried so hard, and that is all that matters. Meera, baby, open your mouth.
Ah,
Here comes the train. Good girl. One more bite.
Mama, can you also give me...
Aarav, please. You are 7 years old. You can eat yourself. You are a big boy.
But I also want...
Aarav, big boys feed themselves. Don't be childish.
Stacking blocks so high and tall, watch my tower grow. Almost as tall as me. So grand, the best tower, yay, Olan!
It was in the middle of the room. I could not walk.
It was not in your way! You... Aarav, are you okay?
I'm fine. Just thinking.
Okay. I am scared. There was a scary sound outside. Can I sleep on your bed? Just a little?
No. Please, I will not take any space. I will sleep very small. This is my bed, my room. Go back to your own room.
Can I have one biscuit? Just one?
These are mine. Mom bought them for me. I will ask Mom also to buy for me. But now can I have just one, please? No. You have your own things. This is mine.
Priya, this is the third incident in 2 days. Aarav is not like this. He has always been gentle with Meera.
I know. I don't understand what has gotten into him. He is being so cold, so selfish.
Is he being selfish? Or is he hurting?
Oh no, Raj. Did we make him feel like we love Meera more?
At dinner, we fed Meera with a spoon like a little queen and told Aarav to eat alone because he is a big boy. He won a spelling competition and you said, good, go wash hands.
What do you mean?
Think back to this week. Report cards. We told him his A was not enough. We praised Meera for an F.
I never thought I was just treating them according to their age.
Age is different. Love must feel equal. We need to fix this. Tonight. Meera, Aarav, come here.
Okay, Dad. Coming.
Aarav, Meera, Mama and Papa want to have an honest talk.
Okay,
You are not in trouble, we just want to understand.
just tell us what happened.
Aarav, I want to say sorry to you.
Sorry? For what, Mama?
When you showed me your report card, you had studied so hard. You got an A. And Mama did not celebrate you the way she should have.
Wow, it's great, son.
Instead, I told you it was not enough. That was wrong of me, beta. You deserved a big hug and a big well done. I am truly sorry.
I thought maybe you love Meera more than me. Because she always gets everything and I always have to be the big one.
Oh, honey, that's not true at all.
We love you both the same.
Yeah.
And we made you eat alone at dinner when we were feeding Meera. A 7-year-old still needs his mama's attention too. We were not fair.
It's okay, Dad.
I thought maybe you love Meera more than me. Because she always gets everything and I always have to be the big one.
No, beta. Never. You are my first baby. You were the one who made me a mother. I love you and Meera the exact same amount.
Now, can we talk about Meera?
I was mean to her. I broke her tower. I didn't give her a biscuit.
I understand that. Feelings of anger and sadness, they are real. But Meera is 5 years old. She did nothing wrong. When you feel hurt, you come to us.
Meera, I am really sorry.
Are you really, really, truly sorry? Or just a little bit sorry?
I'm really, truly sorry, Meera.
We have to be more careful, Raj. They watch everything. They remember everything.
Children do not need perfect parents. They need present ones.